Hello friend, welcome again your own channel. So today's video is going to be very special for you because today I'm going to talk about Vivo handset on many complaints in there are so many and models in Vivo. So whatever your Vivo models, so today's video is only for Vivo, which is very valuable. So you just follow with us and unlock your phone without help of any computer or without help of any service center. Just to have to watch this video till the end without a script, then you can understand whole the process. So let's start the process. So as you can see that the handset that have is pin locked, and you will see below it that an emergency call option is given, so also visible have, so you have to press on it. After that, none of your application and data will be deleted in this. So one thing you have to take care that your phone should be in flight mode. So my phone is also not in, so press the flight mode, make sure your phone is flight mode, and make sure your phone battery percentage above 40 to 50%. And I'm going to share you Vivo Google FRP code, and this code may be, friend, I'm telling, in this code may support in many handset but may not support in many handset also. So just confirm in my comment section boards. So let's start. I am going to sharing you this code for only Vivo Android model. For any Android, Vivo Android model, so just apply this code, a star hash 896321 a star 006 and hash. So you can take note down, or you can take a screenshot also. Now you have to press call button minimum 5 times. After that, you can erase or delete this number, and this is the most important option, master unlocking code, and this code is star hash 899 and hash. You know very well this code because you have already shown in my all the videos. Now engineer mode page is activated and there are coming so many options. So go in manual test and check your device debugging page. First check your proximity sensor test and calibration and confirm here. Come back from this option. Again we have to check your gyroscope, and gyroscope self test we have to minimum we have to start and check XYZ is working or not. So XYZ is working, so come back from this option, and now check sensor self test calibration, and you can see both options are not operated, gyroscope and accelerometer both one each on of one we have to pass at least. So apply this process till passed. So again we have to apply. So now finally gyroscope is passed, so come back from this option, and now we have to check your software version, whatever your software version, press on it 12 times because our Android version is 12, so I'm going to press 12. Now come back and again press manual test, and last option we can see others option. There are also 4-5 options, so check your database version and press your same number as per your Android version. So I am clicking here 12 times. Now you can check relate important log test and confirm here, and now you can see wrong password is not showing. So now it's done after completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So friend, as you can see, friend, phone is unlocked without any application lost, without data lost. So I hope you like this video. Then you will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.